A major construction project on Metra's BNSF line could cause some problems for riders this weekend.
CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli joins us live with everything Metra riders need to know. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning. Yeah, they actually want to replace 18,000 railroad ties on that middle track that you're looking at right now here on the BNSF line between Hinsdale and Aurora. Now, that would normally take 3 weeks, but Metra says BNSF has agreed to complete the project this weekend. Now, the BNSF line stretches from the western suburbs of Aurora and Naperville all the way to Union Station. They are among the busiest lines, with 64,000 daily users on the typical weekday. But that number is slashed by almost 2/3 on the weekend, so that's why Metra has asked Burlington Northern Santa Fe to complete its project before the Monday morning rush. 2 different track teams will be working overtime to try and minimize disruptions for weekend users. Despite those efforts, Friday night, Metra will have to cancel 4 trains and put 5 others on adjusted schedules. On Saturday and Sunday, all trains will be subjected to 10-minute construction-related delays. Now, in order to accommodate all of the workers, BNSF says that it will cancel all of the freight train traffic in the area, so that should help tremendously. Again, a 3-week project. They're going to try and cram it all in just 3 days. Reporting live in Hinsdale, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Marissa, Aaron?
Good job, Mike. Thank you.